First Alert Weather.
Throughout the past couple of hours, we've been dealing with those gusty winds really starting to pick up here, and we're going to have more of that wind to funnel in here for tonight through tomorrow as a couple of fronts take aim at the region for this weekend and next week. Unfortunately, we're going to be stuck with this pattern shift well throughout the approaching work week as well. We got the winds currently out of the south at 21 miles an hour for the Pocatello Airport, 16 for those wind speeds in Idaho Falls. Central Idaho also getting pretty gusty. You can see those winds well into the teens and 20s at this hour. Dry conditions locally on Viper, but we do have a few little specks of wet weather showing up here north of Salmon. We're getting some clouds starting to come out of central Idaho and the Pacific Northwest. We'll see more of these scattered hits of rain and snow on the way here, especially getting in for Saturday evening. And that's with the cold front that's making its way across the Gem State. That cold front is just starting to get over Boise right now and central Idaho. So the cold front slowly making its way overhead tonight, and that's why we've been drawing up the warmer temperatures today as we get that southerly flow ahead of the cold front. It's very typical. As a cold front like this nears, you pull up wind along the frontal boundary towards the center of the storm. So all that wind ahead of the cold front comes out of the south, keeping things pretty chilly. Once the cold front passes, you guessed it, we shift the wind direction to the northwest and the north, and that pulls in all the cold air. We drop those temperatures significantly for this weekend. And here's a look at those temperatures on the Vipercast along with the showers. The jet stream is going to go all the way south in Nevada, closer to Vegas, and areas even into Arizona for this weekend. And we have another deeper system that's going to come along the jet stream for Monday, and we'll see scattered hits of snow and rain. Vipercast tonight, a little bit of snow in central Idaho closer to midnight. Not much, but it's going to be out there. And we're going to see some sunshine tomorrow morning with breezy conditions. It's going to be windy all throughout your day here for tomorrow, and a little bit of some snowy weather in the mountain peaks of central Idaho tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow night, we see more of a significant push of moisture working into the region. There's a little bit of rain and snow, especially as you go Idaho Falls north tomorrow night, and then continuing towards Yellowstone and Grand Teton National Parks. But places like the Palisades, Swan Valley, Jackson, Alpine, Teton Valley, Idaho, a decent chance of some snow tomorrow evening and some spotty snow in areas Lemhi, Custer, and Butte counties for tomorrow. Then we have another chance of some wet weather in the mountains here for Sunday. We're not looking for much moisture in the valley on Sunday, but watch what happens as we roll in with that system on Monday. We nudge in a little bit of a surface high here for Sunday, trying to pull in some sunshine, but it's not going to do much because the Monday system is going to quickly be on its heels, and it's going to whack us with rain, snow, gusty winds, and dropping temperatures for Tuesday and Wednesday. You can see those wind speeds here on the map, and things are going to get very gusty out there for tomorrow with your sustained wind speeds well into the teens and 20s, gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour. We're under a wind advisory starting at 11 o'clock tonight for good reason. 50 for Malad tomorrow with a high of 51 in Preston. We'll be in the mid-40s towards Soda. We'll be hanging out in the upper 40s tomorrow for Rexburg, mid to upper 40s towards St. Anthony, and 40 degrees in Island Park with the 40s also in Jackson. 41 for the high in Mackay, 43 in Salmon, highs in Idaho Falls at 49, 50 for INL, 50 for American Falls, and the upper 40s, low 50s towards Burley and Twin. Now getting to the 8-day forecast, here comes that Monday system, and that's our next decent chance of actually getting some precipitation in the Snake River Plain. Not so much this weekend. It's going to be very windy this weekend, but we'll still have the wind, but we're going to add in more scattered showers here for Monday and Tuesday with those lowering temperatures. Highs will be in the lower 40s for Tuesday. We go to Rexburg with a high of 38 for Sunday, 42 for Monday, and 39 for the high on Tuesday. Gusty winds for the next couple of days and overnight lows below freezing. We'll have temperatures stuck into the 30s and 40s all throughout next week. Jackson 34 for the high Sunday, 37 for Monday, and we're hanging out to the mid-30s for Tuesday and Wednesday with those gusty winds and scattered hits of snowy weather. And it looks like a decent amount of snow will get into the mountains around Jackson and Island Park over the next few days. Salmon 39 degrees with a chance of some wet weather on Sunday, but a better chance of that wet weather coming in for Monday, and temperatures into the upper 30s to lower 40s. Pocatello and Idaho Falls taking the punch to the gut this weekend and next week as we see lowering temperatures. We're going to be dealing with a high of 50 tomorrow, and that's down from the 70 we're seeing outside right now. The wet weather will roll in for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with temperatures into the 30s and 40s for daytime highs. Idaho Falls, we go from 49 degrees tomorrow down to the lower 40s on Sunday. We got scattered hits of snowy, wet weather for Monday and Tuesday, with those winds continuing for much of next week, and overnight lows getting below freezing. Our Caribou Ford Spirit of Idaho comes to us here from Brad Soda Springs. Kind of a cool artistic shot of the moon behind some icicles on a very frosty night. Kind of looks a little spooky there, right, Brad? Thank you for sending that in. Go to news3now.com. Go to weather on the website, and under weather, you'll see a little box that says Spirit of Idaho and a place to post your own photos. Eric?
Hey, thanks so much, Michael. Coming up in sports, it is opening day for the Rockies and the Mariners. We'll show you if one or both teams could start the season 1-0.